All right, sixth grade. Today is fashion. I love this day for our dapper animals. So you want to start thinking about what you want your animal to be wearing. So let's go to our slides. So a review. Grade check. Check the grades, guys. Go to class link. If you use class link, it's easy because then you can click on the assignments you're missing. Okay. There is also information on class link in my resource folder in Schoology if you don't remember how to use it. Okay, but click on class link. Did you download your Dapper Animal rubric? Okay, sketch 12 on Monday, simply selfie. And then yesterday, there's a zoo in my sketchbook. Remember, you were practicing 3 to 5 different animal heads yesterday. Today is all about history of fashion. What's your outfit choice? And then clothing design is our sketch. What will your outfit say about yourself for your animal? Okay. Clothing is a form of expression. It has function, but also demonstrates fashion. Clothing can create a character or promote style. Okay, every piece of clothing is designed by an artist, which is pretty cool. That's where clothing comes from. Artists create the clothing. Also, proportions happen with clothing, just like everything else we are learning. In order for a fashion designer to create the clothing correctly, they have to have the correct proportions of the body. So, proportions, it's still part of it. Here you go. Clothing design proportion guidelines. And it shows you the breakdown of the body of an average adult man, an average adult woman, a toddler, a child. Notice the beautiful layering of this dress. Look at her hat, accessories. This is all about fashion. Okay, we are going to watch a brief history of clothing, video 1. And then we are going to watch a brief history of clothing, video 2, the evolution of clothing. Why do we wear clothes? It's kind of an interesting video. Clothing design often comes from various backgrounds and cultures. So perhaps you want to celebrate something about you and your culture or your background with your dapper animal. So maybe you will choose clothing based around that. Clothing can be about hobbies you have. Maybe your dapper animal goes to the derby. I don't know. So think about what you want your dapper animal to be. Clothing can be about a job. Maybe your dapper animal has a career that you want it to show by what it's wearing. Sketchbook 14 is clothing design. What will your outfit say about you? You need to figure out and design your outfit for your dapper animal. Remember, you will be putting this all together on one piece on Friday. So this is practicing in your sketchbook, but it should be drawn correctly. It should have the colors you want. It should have the design you want, the accessories you want. Everything that you want your animal to wear should be on this page today. Resources, there's all sorts of resources on how to draw things like shirts and hoodies. Just because I don't have a resource here doesn't mean it isn't available. So go out and look for those resources. What do you want to draw correctly? Okay, what can you find? What can you put together to create an amazing outfit for your animal? We will go over more of this in class, so hopefully you can join me. But remember that your outfit is what you're going to be putting together. Think about hats, glasses. If it's a female, actually, it doesn't even matter if it's a female. It can wear a necklace no matter what it is. It can have super funky pocket squares. Maybe it has crazy hair. I don't know. Maybe your animal is going to have spikes, whatever. Think of the outfit. Think of how you want to create this final project. Good luck with your fashion piece. Make sure you watch those 2 videos. Remember, they are on slide 5 and slide 6, so you can learn a little bit more about the history of clothing. Let me know if you have any questions.